Hello, in front of me I've got Realme P3 Pro. In this video I'll show you first setup of this smartphone. As you can see, the first screen we've got is Hello screen. Tap arrow to go forward. Next, select language, your region, accept, and here you can set up using another device. Next, you can connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi, or you can skip. Next, you can select unlock method. Now, accept Google permissions, enable or disable recommended services like auto update overnight, wallpaper carousel, Google search, auto update system apps, quick connect, context aware network service, AI smart loop, enhanced intelligence service, VDC service, user experience program, system stability improvement program, AI search engine. In the end, select navigation between buttons and gestures, and the first setup is complete. Get started, and now you can use your smartphone freely. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.